What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Chase Bank's online banking account. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And if you guys have any questions regarding the video, ask us in the comment and let's jump into the video. And yeah, Chase Bank is a US bank, alright? So search for Chase Bank login and click on versus Chase Bank over here. And once you click on it, it'll take you to this website. Over here, you want to choose which type of account you have at the top. And then in the side, there's going to be this. Enter your username where it asks you your username. And then enter the password where it asks you your password. And then click on sign in. And you should be able to log in into your Chase Bank's online banking account. So it's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then everybody.